A transformation is given by the rule xy maps to 2x minus y as the x coordinate and negative 3x as the y coordinate. Find the image of the point negative 2, negative 3 under this transformation. This is an objective test, and so you solve the question and then you choose the correct answer from the options that have been given to us. The rule of the transformation given to us is xy maps to 2x minus y as the x coordinate, then negative 3x as the y coordinate. We are going to use this rule to transform the point negative 2, negative 3. And so in this case, our x is equal to negative 2, and then our y is equal to negative 3. With this, we can find the image. The x coordinate of the image is 2x minus y. X is negative 2 and y is negative 3, so we will substitute them in here. When we do that, we are going to have 2 times negative 2 minus y is also negative, so minus negative 3. That is for the x coordinate. And then for the y coordinate, we have negative 3x. So negative 3 times x, which is negative 2. Now let's simplify this. When we simplify, negative 2, negative 3 is going to give us 2 times negative 2 give us negative 4. We have minus negative 3, so that will give us positive 3. So we have negative 4 plus 3. Negative 4 plus 3 will give us negative 1. Then for the y coordinates, we have negative 3 times negative 2, and that will give us positive 6. So the point negative 2, negative 3 under this transformation will give us the image negative 1, 6. When we look through the options given to us, the correct answer is option B, negative 1, 6.